Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a absolutely stunning 1970 Dodge Charger. Guys, this is a true RT. This is one of 347 ever built factory V-code 4-speed cars. So original 440 6-pack car with a 4-speed Dana rear end. Car has just undergone a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It is as nice on the top as it is on the bottom. Gorgeous car, guys. Factory color combination. Original high impact top banana yellow with the factory Hounds Tooth interior. Car comes with the original broadcast sheet. Very, very rare car. Like I say, one of about 300 ever built. Two-owner car, guys. Car was bought brand new. Matter of fact, in this area right here, the gentleman that bought it new eventually relocated down to Tennessee. I think in the gentleman we bought it from, he was out of Florida, but he bought the car, I think he said about 5 years ago. He went down to Tennessee and actually bought it from the original owner. So just a two-owner car. Gorgeous car. It's got the 440 call-outs on the hood. Previous owner added those. Those were not original to the car. You can see the chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. I have probably put 100 miles on this car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Just a real nice car. And like I say, collector quality, something very limited production. You just don't see these cars come available very often. Again, he did add the call outs. Paint slick. Very nicely done car, guys. Glass is nice. Car runs and drives excellent. Plenty of power. Shifts out good. Nice car. Bunch of new cars coming, guys. Just a little dust. I probably have about 18 cars I've got to advertise. A lot of that stuff's going to kind of trickle in because of the weather we're dealing with right now. But a bunch of new cars coming. If you go to the site, there's going to be a photo posted of a lot like that's just fingerprint there. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought here. Like a single picture of a car. That's because that stuff is sitting down south waiting to come north. I'll get that stuff advertised just as quick as I can, guys. Boy, this car is nice too. And like I say, when you look at the bottom of this car, it's just as nice as the top. It's all body color underneath. 15-inch Magnums, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Again, true 70 RT V-code car. Front disc brakes. This is not a matching numbers car. It's got a 69 Charger RT block in it. 6-pack carbs and intake. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Again, factory pistol grip 4-speed car. They've converted it to electronic ignition. Mopar radiator with the shroud. It was also a factory 411 Dana. It's actually got a, he put a 354 sure grip in it, so it's much more drivable, guys. There's your fender tag. Like I say, it does come with the original broadcast sheet. There's also a breakdown on the engine rebuild. There's your VIN. You can see that's never been out of the car. Stunning car. So that's just a little dirt there, guys. to nitpick the A-pillar chrome there. It's got the remote mirror. Actually, it comes with a new remote mirror that's in the trunk. I think that, again, just some fingerprints, guys. Yeah, the little thing up there is broke off, the little remote piece. That there's a brand new one in the trunk for the car. Love the Hounds Tooth interior. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory tach engages, 95,000. That is the original miles on it, but guys, there's very few miles on the Restoration. I know the radio doesn't work. Blower motor, I don't think the actual blower motor was working on the car. When they restored the car, they did put, I think one of these quarters is new. I think it's got one original quarter and one replacement quarter. There's your broadcast sheet. There's your breakdown on your engine. There's your remote mirror. Factory jack with spare. It's all body color in here like it should be. Gorgeous car. And like I say, you literally show it with mirrors underneath it. Got it up in the air, got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Again, bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'll get that posted just as quick as possible. See that Hurst Pistol Grip shifter. Dash is nice. That's a killer car and very rare car. Car runs and drives excellent, guys. Like I say, nice and tight. This is a good car, man. Sorry, trying to pin that. I'll have you do it, Jordy. Go ahead and pin that one, Jordy. Sorry. It's not easy to do one-handed. Well, it's a good car. Again, factory color combination, top banana yellow with the Hounds Tooth, which I thought was super cool. Tach works. I know the speedo works. Fuel gauge kind of has a mind of its own. Looks like all your other gauges are working. Kind of works when it wants to be honest with you. Got one bulb out on that side. Great sound. Again, no on the radio. I don't think the blower motor's working. Doors open and close real nice. Everything's nice and tight. I think it's got 3-speed wiper motor in it too. then make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page, our YouTube page, or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call at 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.